The information in this video is for spiritual practice only. It is intended to help support the viewer's spiritual journey and a more fulfilling and overall healthier experience of life. It is not personal counseling or advice and guarantees no specific outcomes. No individual should use the information in this video for self-diagnosis or treatment or as a replacement for medical, psychological, or practical care. In other words, this is spiritual practice. Always consult with an appropriate professional for specific advice and counsel for your individual situations as needed. Blessed be and enjoy. Mark Angelo Lyons, Drawing the Circle Productions. So here are our words. May my fortune now be blessed. Let the highest vision manifest. Known and unknown, seen and unseen. Piece by piece my fortune glean. Step by step the path appears. The way is open, free and clear. By Sagittarius moon and power of fire, my fortune now I do acquire. For the highest good and harming none. As I will it, so let it be done. Any line of that anybody wants to dissect?
Seems pretty
straightforward. We're going to up the vibe a little first. We're going to do a quick praise. See how high we can get the vibe. We'll say it together 3 times. First time is a whisper and you're still reading the words. Second time, normal speaking voice. Getting it stronger. Third time, blast it. Good? Okay. Praise. What do you praise? We're just going to go around the room. I'm going to point you. I'm going to say, I praise or I like. So what's your number? Where are you at? I'm at an 8. I'm not going to ask you your number. Just, do you know what your number is, 1 to 10?
8.
Okay. You praise what? I praise, say, I praise, fill in the blank. Anything.
I'm passing on that.
Okay.
I praise kindness of strangers.
Okay, you can speak I praise or I like. I like is probably easier.
I like happiness.
Happiness.
Friendship.
Say, I like.
I like friendship.
I like coffee.
My children.
Trees.
Say, I like trees.
I like trees.
I like trees.
My
The angels.
children.
I like smiling.
I like peacefulness.
Abundance.
Say, I like abundance.
I like abundance.
This is spell work.
I like dancing.
I like cats.
I like cats.
I'm thankful for my new home.
I like my husband.
I'm
I'm thankful for or I'm grateful for.
grateful for my crystals.
I'm thankful for my health.
Grateful for nature.
I'm grateful for fluffy kitties.
I'm thankful for my friends.
You stole that from me. I'm grateful for my friends.
I'm grateful for my dogs.
I'm grateful to be here today.
I'm grateful for my time.
I'm grateful for my closest friends.
I'm grateful for my friend.
I'm grateful for my boyfriend and my dog.
I'm grateful for tea.
I'm grateful for my husband.
You feel it already? Like, I love. What do you love? What do I love? What do I love? I love my cats.
I love ice cream.
I love crocheting.
I love food.
I love cheese.
I love my cat.
I love chocolate.
I love tie-dye.
I love my children.
I love my intuition.
I love my alfalfa.
I love traveling.
I love the North Sea.
I love peaceful moments in nature.
I love fun.
I love the autumn.
Now where are you at?
Oh.
See, I don't teach you nothing. Works. Reverend Potty Mouth rides again. All right. Creature, fire, work your will by my desire. Niche. You're not the only one with fire, man. All right, first time through. Whisper. I'll breathe. Nice, big, deep breath. Exhale, inhale, let it go. Ready? May my fortune never be blessed. Let the highest vision manifest. Known and unknown, seen and unseen. Piece by piece my fortune glean. Step by step the path appears, the way is open, free and clear. By Sagittarius moon and power of fire, my fortune now I do acquire. For the highest good and harming none, as I will in the sun. Breathe. We'll do some more to beat the end. Breathe. Let it go. Breathe in and then regular voice. May my fortune now be blessed. Let the highest vision manifest. Known and unknown, seen and unseen, piece by piece my fortune glean. Step by step the path appears, the way is open, free and clear. By Sagittarius moon and power of fire, my fortune now I do acquire. For the highest good and harming none, as I will it, so let it be done. Breathe. Let it go. Breathe and then full blast it. May my fortune now be blessed. Let the highest vision manifest. Known and unknown, seen and unseen, piece by piece my fortune glean. Step by step the path appears, the way is open, free and clear. By Sagittarius moon and power of fire, my fortune now I do acquire. For the highest good and harming none, as I will it, so let it be done. So mote it be. Now breathe that. Breathe that fire. Dearest God, Goddess, all that is, we thank you so much for this time spent in this class together with you. May we all grow to be stronger, to be wiser, to be more powerful and more wealthy as witches. May we claim our inheritance that you have given us from within, that we may experience bounty, prosperity, wealth and abundance, financial abundance without. And thank you most of all for the grace and the guidance that you feed each one of us spoonful by spoonful every moment of the day. Let us now be ready and open to receive it. Thank you. Hail and farewell. So mote it be.
So mote it be.